Okay guys, we are really excited because we have Pom Pom Wow here. Yay! Pom Pom Wow, and let's get on with it. So we've got it all set up, so let's start. So we'll pick a colour and put drops of water in there, and then we'll pick up these and we'll put it in there and dab it on the colour that you want it to be on. So now I'm going to pick my colour, but I'm going for two colours. I'm going for two, so I'm going to do a blob on, a couple of blobs on there. And I'm going to put a couple of blobs on here. Yeah, there we go. That's enough, and we've got some more in case next. Now I'm going to stir the colour with this white paintbrush. And it's quite stubbly, so it hurts. It's hard. So there's the blue. Now just going to wipe it on this back bit of thing. Now I'm going to do the pink. Put that in. I don't know why, but the pink's much easier. So now I'm going to dab it, as you can see, on this piece of paper. I'll just leave it. Leave that. Now I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to put it in here. Two come out, so it's fine. You can re-pop them back in when you've done, if they come. So I've got it in, so let me pick pink or blue. Which one do I want? I will start with the pink. So I'm going to dab. I think you just hold it on there or something. Okay. Now I'm going to put some of this glitter on it. So let me open this up, and it's quite, I don't know if it can work. So I'm going to carefully, no. But there's something underneath it that doesn't make it come up. So now I'm going to put the glitter on it. We'll show it. I'll show it them after. It might be a little bit too much, but you've got to be careful. I'm only squidging a bit on. Come out. It's not very good. Oh, God. That's splattered everywhere there. So I'm going to leave these pom-poms to dry, and then we'll see you after. The pom-pom wows have just finished drying, so I'm going to show you. So I'm not really impressed because the glitter hasn't dried. Look, guys. But it's soaked in. Now I'm going to go. So I've got my sticky bit on it, so I'm going to put it up in the middle. Let's see. So then I'm going to carefully pull it off. And you see how it's like that, guys? See how it's like that? Got to spread it out. This one, same as this one. And that one. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.